This is Scott with JSA Foundation Repair. We are in East Cobb, Marietta, Georgia, and it is May 6, 2018. Customers called us out. They have this brick wall on the roof line, and what they've done is they've laid this brick, I'm on a ladder here, they laid the brick on the actual roofing, and we're going to go ahead and see if we can push this wall back into place. And I want to film the camera and show this. All right, if you'll go ahead and start pressing on it, we'll see what happens. Go as fast as you want. You can hear it going back into place. Oh, go slower. There it goes. You got much pressure you got on your jack? A little bit there?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep going. Go real slow. You're okay. So far, looking good. So far, looking good. Lightweight, not much pressure on that jack. Going good, okay. Oh, right there. Now we're almost within a caulk line. I'll do a final video here in just a little bit. I want to pin the wall, but now we've got that thing almost exactly back in the original position. How you got pressure on that thing? Doing good?
Yeah.
Has it got a lot of pressure? Average?
Average.
Do a little bit more, see what happens here. A little more. Keep going. Oh, right there. Oh, that's almost perfect. I'll do a final video, but another quality job done by JSA. This is Scott England again with JSA, part 2, the after video of this wall. You can see that gap is nice and closed all the way down to the windowsill. And we did that by hydraulically pressing that over and pinning it. And as you can tell now, all the jacks are removed and it's all holding now back in the original position. Another quality job done by JSA. This is Scott with JSA Foundation Repair, and we are in Roswell, Georgia, June 20th, 2018. The customer has a brick column that is pulled away from this retaining wall, and you could rebuild it, but they don't make the brick. What we're going to do is drive this pier down and see if we can push this column back over. I'm going to hold this video tight and see if we can film this. All right, go ahead and jack that thing, see what happens. There it goes. Okay, right there. And then what we'll do is we'll fill in the brick at the bottom, but I wanted to show how we push these columns back over, and that's going to save that wall. We'll do the mortar work. I'll do a film after that. Again, nice and tight. Another quality job done by JSA. Scott again with JSA Foundation Repair. As you can tell, this is part 2. Everything's nice and cleaned up. The mortar work's all nice and tuck pointed all the way around. Of course, that mortar will dry, but I wanted to take a picture of that last crack there. Another quality job done by JSA. This is Scott with JSA Foundation Repair. Today is February the 4th, 2015. And we are located in Swanee, Georgia. Customers called us out. They've got a front porch, nice house, nice front porch, and the porch is settling. So we're going to take our machine, and here in a second we're going to crank it up and put our piers in. Started digging put these piers in for the front porch. And what we want to do is raise this porch back up where it has gone down up against the side of the house. And to do that, we use a series of hydraulics and press pipe down to a bedrock base, and then we hit our valve, and hopefully everything will come up. So here we're going to try to jack this thing up now and see what happens. Go ahead and crank it, Chris. All right, here we go. That's the inside corner. There it comes. All the way back up. Whole porch coming up. Plumb, straight and level. Original position right there. Now a lot of people like to tear these things out and rebuild them, and I don't know why, because this is the only way to do it. Another quality job done by JSA. Today is September 24th, 2013. We are in Lawrenceville, Georgia on a house that the garage center column has started to settle. We've installed a piering system underneath the footing, and you can see how much gap there is in between the doors. So we're going to go ahead and crank our machine. That's our hydraulic interpack machine, and see if we can raise this center column up. There we go. How we get the bottom down here first. There's the pier installed at the bottom. That's the garage height. There it goes back up in place. Still going. Takes a little bit of time to do it, but look at that going in all the way back to the top. Yeah, just about close. This is Scott England again with JSA Foundation Masonry Repair Specialist, and it is May 12th, 2016. As you can tell, this porch is settling. We're in Ackworth, Georgia, in Brookstone subdivision, and this customer's called us out because the porch has settled about 1.5 inches. And you can really see on the left side of that column how much it's gone down. And also, this overhang has been compromised and it's leaning to the left. And there's the cracks there. So we've driven this pier pipe down to about 15 feet, and that's mainly the reason why you do not use a foam injection or pressure grouting that you hear of. All you're essentially doing is adding weight to fill dirt, and it's just going to keep settling. The pier is the correct way to do it. Is a little cost a little bit more money to do it, but you're done with one time. So let's crank this machine and watch this lift. Here we go. Watch in particular the left column. Bobby, how much pressure we got on our machine?
2,000.
Right there it is. So as you can tell now, the column is touching the stone. The stone is back to the original position of the brickwork. The caulking up there at the top is now closed, and now this overhang is now plumb, straight, and level. So I wanted to show how we do this with our piers. Never pressure grout. I think that's a waste of time or that foam injection. Another quality job done by JSA.